banten mau ya ka jingdap nyo posan snem jongkari India bat san posnem jongka jelam meklia ka school St George Higher Secondary School nong mansung harangkat ka North East Space Application Center kila penlong ya ka program ka basisngi panyo jingtip syapang ka jinglong jingman jongka Pyrthei bat ki badon ha ka Pyrthei bat ki jingtip syapang ka science ha katai ka program syapang ka jing start science ka office trekam jongka nisak Umyam Ribhoi District kalwan pen ipaj ba yaka kali kabakit yaka Pyrthei rengkat langki tiar nuklear ne roket kabaki start scientist kari India kilashna u Dr. Bijoy Krishna harengkat ki nongtrei katai ka tanat space kilai ka jing batai yaki khna school syapang ka hau bat ka jinglong jong ka Pyrthei bat ka jing start jong ka sayan katkum ka juk ka bamta bat kum juru yaka jingdon jingtip syapang ka memeryang.
Scientist from Northeastern Space Application Center. So I think all of you must be knowing, sir, this year we are celebrating 75 years of Indian independence. It is we call Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So what we are celebrating, also we are celebrating the Golden Jubilee year of statehood of the state of Meghalaya. So it's such an important year, and it is always nice to popularize and bring the space technology to the common people and to the students, to encourage them to see that what India has achieved in the field of science and technology, particularly in case of space technology. As you see, sir, like even Indian Space Research Organization has been supporting all the departments in terms of natural resource management, in terms of water resource management, disaster management, and then different planning and monitoring activities. So here at NESEC also, we are supporting all the 8 states of NER in terms of protecting our environment, protecting our biodiversity, and then monitoring our rich natural resources. And then we are bringing the bus to showcase the students, just to see, like today's theme is the 75 Indian satellites. So we want to show the students, let's see how many satellites India has launched and the different type of applications we have from this large number of satellites. Here what we are showing. And this will motivate our students, particularly to take science as a career and then to build and to see the great achievement of the country is having in this field of science and technology, particularly in the field of space technology. That is the main objective of bringing this bus to different places to motivate and encourage the students and to see and to feel proud the great achievement the country is having in the field of science and technology. That is the main purpose of bringing the bus to here, sir. We don't want war in any form. As we know, this is very destructive, because as we know, science has always both positive and negative side. Science basically is a tool. So it is up to us to make best use of it, and we should use a positive side of this technology, because technology is available, but it should not be destructive one. The GPS system, what is being used, given to us, it can guide a missile, and also it can help us to navigate a place. So if we are using the GPS to navigate a place, it is very well and good. But if the GPS system is used to target someone with a guided missile, definitely it is not what we are not desired, sir. But this technology is available. It is up to us, sir, how best we can make best use of it, sir.